Hello and welcome to How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can send voice messages on Discord. So let's go ahead and start the video. First of all, you must go to Vencord.dev. After you go to Vencord.dev, go ahead and click download Vencord and click on download Vencord installer. Then it will be downloaded. Go ahead and click open file and click on install. So you can also select the installation file or just go ahead and click install and click OK. So if Discord is open right now, go ahead and close Discord and open Discord once again. After you have opened Discord, wait for a while and then you must go to the settings now. So the settings is here on user settings on the left hand side. After you click it, scroll all the way down and something like Vencord will appear. So you can see Vencord over here. Go ahead and click on plugins and now search for voice. So scroll a bit down and see voice messages over here. It allows you to send voice messages like on mobile. To do so, right click the upload button and click. So you can go ahead and enable it. Click on cross. Now you can go to your group over here and you can see the plus icon over here now. You can now click on send voice message and click on start recording. Hello. Can you hear me? My name is Dave. So after you're done, go ahead and click stop recording and you can play this once.
Hello. Can you hear me?
So after you're done, go ahead and click send. Wait for a while and the voice message is sent. So guys, this is how you send a voice message on Discord. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.